This story is called You Will Be My Friend. The author is Peter Brown. Lucy was very excited when she woke up. Mom, I've decided I'm going to make a new friend today. Isn't that exciting? That is exciting, Lucille. But how do you plan on finding a new friend? Mom, the forest is crawling with fun critters. Surely one of them will want to be my friend. This is going to be great. So Lucy went outside to begin her search. Good luck, Lucy. Bye, Mom. Look at Lucy. She is so excited to go and find some friends. I cannot wait to make a new friend. We're going to do cartwheels and have picnics and climb trees and go swimming and have a dance party. Have you guys done some of these things with your friends? Sounds pretty fun. Lucy's search got off to a great start when a nice critter invited her to play. Ooh, yes! I'd love to play, love to join you. Ribbit. What critter did she find first? Yes, a frog. Woohoo! But things didn't work out. What happened with this friend? Oh, oh well. There are plenty of other critters in the forest. It didn't take long for Lucy to find another friend looking animal. I'll just go up and introduce myself. What do you think the friend is? What kind of animal? Yes, a giraffe. Munch, munch. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to climb into your breakfast. That friendship didn't work out either. Oh no. Lucy did her best to win over the forest animals. She was helpful. What is she doing here? Don't you worry. We'll get that nasty smell out. What animal did she find? A skunk. She asked lots of questions. So tell me, what's it like to fly? What animal is this? And can this animal fly? And she tried to fit in with everyone she met. But Lucy was starting to feel ridiculous. What does ridiculous mean? What does the word ridiculous mean? She came close to making friends a few times. Thanks for inviting me to lunch. Oh no, buzz, buzz, buzz. But something always went wrong. Sorry, I ate your house. Oh no. Poor Lucy. Lucy couldn't believe how hard it was to make a new friend. She was ready to make friends or be friends with anyone. Well, almost anyone. Squeak! 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 Squeak? Who are her new friends? Come back here and have fun with me. That's when things got ugly. You won't get any snacks unless you start liking me right now. You will be my friend. I can't wait. Now, is this how you get friends? Lucy tried to calm herself down. Take a deep breath, Lucy. You can do this. You can make a new friend. Just be yourself. Doesn't anybody want to be my friend? Oh no, it doesn't look that easy for Lucy to make friends, does it? This is hopeless. It looked as if Lucy would never find a new friend. And then a funny thing happened. What animal are these? Squawk? Squawkity squawk? Oh my gosh! Are you asking me to be your friend? Squawk? I accept. Oh gosh. Was he asking her to be your friend? And that's the story of how these two friends found each other. The end. It took Lucy a long time to make new friends. What are some ways that you make new friends? What do you do? Do you share? Are you kind? Do you ask them to play? Type your answer down below in the discussion box on how you make new friends.